Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make mix-match shoes in NBA 2K. This guide will help you personalize your player's look with unique footwear combinations. We'll cover navigating the menus, selecting individual shoes for each foot, and finally saving your distinct style. Get ready to stand out on the court with your custom kicks, showing off your creativity and attention to detail. It's a fun way to express yourself. First, you'll want to head into the My Player menu from the main screen. From there, find the Appearance section, which usually contains all your customization options. Within Appearance, look for the Shoes or Footwear category. Once inside, you should see an option to customize or edit your current shoes, allowing you to select each foot separately. This is your gateway to creating truly unique combinations. To truly maximize your Amex points, aim for redemptions that provide at least 1.6 cents in value per point. Keep an eye out for frequent transfer bonuses, which can boost your points by 20 to 40%, making your transfers even more lucrative. Often, the best value comes from booking premium cabin flights, like business or first class, where the cash price is high but the points cost can be relatively low. Once you've chosen both your left and right shoes, take a moment to confirm your selections. Make sure you're happy with the combination you've created. Then, look for the Save or Apply option, which is typically found at the bottom of the screen. After saving, your new mix-match shoes will be ready to equip to your player. You can now showcase your unique style on the court with confidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.